Yo, for those who knew, I'm AzzieChillz, and in this video I'm going to share with you the best digital art software and hardware for beginners. First thing I'm going to talk about is hardware. There are a few different types of tablets: regular tablets and display tablets. You can buy the Wacom Intuos S, the Wacom Intuos S Small with Bluetooth, and the Wacom Intuos M with Bluetooth, which is a medium size. It's good to start off your digital art journey with a regular Wacom tablet. The Wacom Intuos M with Bluetooth tablet has 4 shortcut keys on the tablet and 2 shortcut keys on the 4K pen, and drawing nibs are also included. The Wacom Intuos tablet comes with 3 software included: Clip Studio Paint, Corel Aftershock 3, and Corel Painter Essential 6. When you get more comfortable with the Wacom tablet, you can upgrade to a display tablet. One that professionals and intermediate artists go for is the XP Pen Artist 15.6 Pro tablet. This, in my opinion, is the more affordable display tablet among the others. It comes with a 15.6 inch built-in screen, 8 shortcut keys, a roller wheel to zoom in and out and scroll, battery-free 4K pen, and drawing nibs included. If you buy the Wacom tablet with the free Clip Studio Paint software, you can use this on the XP Pen Artist tablet, as the XP Pen Artist tablet does not include any software. If you want to see a review video on the Wacom Intuos tablet or the XP Pen Artist 15.6 tablet, comment down below. The second part I'm going to talk about is Clip Studio Paint software. You can use this with your tablet. Clip Studio Paint has illustration. Here is a speed drawing to give you an idea of what you can do. Click the link above. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. Clip Studio also has animation. Here's a short clip I created earlier. Clip Studio Paint has other software where you can create comics and manga. Click the link above to see more detailed videos on how to use shortcut keys on Clip Studio Paint. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.